Hello everyone, we're back with another random mystery toys unboxing video. We're going to grab 5 items from the bag. Item number 1. We have a Care Bear Besties. We have a LankyBox Squishy. A Care Bear bag clip. A mystery mini from Mickey and Friends. And the last item, again from Disney, we have a mystery Squishmallow, a scented one. Here are our 5 surprises. Let's start with the Care Bears bag clip. This is from series 2. And if we look at the options, there's 2 exclusives. Which one would you like to find? Me, I'm not sure. They're all pretty cute. I think I would like Share Bear with all the tacos. Alright, let's find out what's in it. Which one we have. They don't look like we have a tear strip. Ooh! We have Grumpy Bear in a donut. He probably doesn't want to, but I find him adorable. Oh my god. He's really cute. Let's continue with our Mickey and Friends mystery mini. So here is what we can find. Personally, we don't get to see them very often. I feel in mystery boxes, I would love to find Chip or Dale. Let's go. I'm not sure if they come in a blind bag. They do. Let's see, who do we have? It looks like it's Minnie Mouse. I do like Minnie Mouse as well. Oh my god, even the tail. Look at how nice that is. Oh, she's really cute. Editing Alex here. I didn't realize at first, but looking back at the box, Minnie Mouse is actually quite rare because there's only 1 in a 36 chance to get that version. The common one is 1 out of 6, but this one is 1 out of 36. So that's great. Let's do our LankyBox Squishy. This is series 5. And the options, and I don't understand why they put the tear strip right on the checklist, if we can call it that, on the packaging. But yeah, out of those, I really like sharks, so sea creature, thick shark would be great. But the color on the color change Foxy, that's what I would be interested in finding. Is it what we have? I'm not sure. There's no checklist? Oh, no. Looks like we have Boxy. Is that Cyborg Boxy? Let me check. Yes, this is Glitter Cyborg Boxy. So yes, that's describing it pretty good. And you can see the water very easily since it's kind of translucent. Always a good squishy. Let's open our other Care Bears. This is Care Bears Besties. soft and scented. Oh, it looks like there's 2 layers to this. Oh god, it's gonna make me work for it. Where was I? Here. Yeah, this is a bad wrapper. Okay, now for this one. Better be worth it. Let's find what's inside. I think I saw yellow. Let's look at the checklist. So we have a total, is that 8? Yes, 8 to collect. So here are all the options. So I have a feeling we have Superstar Bear. Let's see. Oh, no. It's actually Tenderheart Bear. It's a slightly flexible figure. See, I can move a little bit the legs and the arm. But it's still quite firm. And now it says that it's supposed to be scented, so I wonder what they smell like. It's a very light scent. They smell nice, but it's very, very light. So now let's finish with our Disney Squishmallow. So we can see right in front of the packaging which ones we can find. I've opened one of these before. If you'd like to check it out, I'll put a link in the video. So let's see which one we have. Can I open it this way? Doesn't seem like it. Let's cut through it. Bringing the scissors. Here we go. See if that will do. Yes. Okay, so who is it? I can feel something very soft in there. Oh, we have a lady. And she's holding an apple. And it's the ears that are so soft, and there's even glitter in her ears. It looks so nice. How reflective with the light. Makes her extra pretty. So yes, lady, and inside the tag there's only a bigger picture. And let's have a closer smell. Oh, she definitely smells like apples. She's gorgeous. Here they are all together. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Me, I'm gonna go with Grumpy Bear in the donut. He's so cute. As always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to see more mystery toy unboxings. And see you in the next one.